name is Harshita. I am from Jagal Jallu. My father name is K. Jayprakash. Mother name is Sarita. Sri Sai DP College. My lecturer is Rajni ma'am. Today explain about topic OOPS. OOPS means object oriented paradigm.
Silence, all of you.
Object concept. Basic concepts of OOPS. There are 6 types of OOPS. Mainly, first object. Second one is class. Third one is data abstraction and encapsulation. Fourth one is polymorphism.
All of you, silence.
Fifth one is imaging. Sixth one is dynamic bond. There are 6 types of basic concepts. First of all, object. Object is it is a runtime entity. Object means runtime entities. It is well known to the users. It contains both data and methods. Object created as some space in a memory. Below, student name, student number, ages, total. Example. Second one is class. Class is a collection of variable and methods. Class is created by using class keyword. Syntax. Instant variable. Instance method. And third one is data abstraction and encapsulation. Data abstraction means data abstraction and encapsulation, wrapping up of data into a single unit. It is called encapsulation. Data abstraction means hiding the data. By this feature providing security for over the data. Fourth one is polymorphism. Polymorphism is it means many forms. A method which has same number of different types of arguments and different number of arguments. Example: add 2, 3 is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Numbers से काकुंडा दिस alphabet को తీసుకోవచ్చు. Fifth one is inheritance. Inheritance means getting the properties from one class to another class. The existing class is super base class, old class or super class, and the derived class is child class and or new class. New class. The main advantage of inheritance is reusability. మనం ఎన్నిసార్లైనా రీయూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. By this feature providing extends keyword. There are 5 types of inheritance. Field inheritance. Acquiring the properties one base class to one super class. Second one is multiple inheritance. Creating a child class from only 2 base classes. Example: parent, mother, and last one is multiple. Multi-level inheritance. It has created by level by level. అంటే grandfather, father, child అలా అన్నమాట. B నుంచి C. Next hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance.
All of you silence. Don't shout.
Creating a one super class from 2 base classes. Fifth one is hybrid. It combines both multi-level and hierarchical. There are 5 types of inheritance, and the last one is dynamic bonding. Given a processor is called run and until time. There are 6 types of basic concepts of food and applications of foods. There are many applications. అందులో 5 expert text, AI అంటే artificial intelligence, CAD, hypertext. These are applications and features. It follows bottom-up approach. New data and functions can be easily added when it is methods. And these are the basic concepts of groups.